Hey guys, it's Ashley. Today I'll be doing an express ballet bar warm-up. The only thing you need is something to hold on to, something to lean on like a wall, a chair, or a countertop. Besides that, that's it, so let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, go ahead, save it to your watch later, and join me whenever you can. Alright you guys, let's start our ballet warm-up. I'm going to do 3 positions for each combination. This right here is first position, so heels are touching, toes are apart. Next, I will go into second position. So again, heels are facing in, toes out, and that is second position. It's just hip width apart. And last but not least, I'm going to do third. So third is just an easier version of fifth, which is completely crossed over. Third is just when your toes and heels touch. Now, a lot of people will get it confused and they'll bring their toes in and they'll try to do it like that, but your toes are facing out and your heel and toe are aligned. But there's some space, so don't worry about cranking it in. Just however your hips are rotated, just leave it right there. So those are the 3 positions. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you the combination and then we will get into it. Starting in first position, arms gonna be down and we're gonna prep, center, and open. We're gonna do 2 demi-plies, in, bending the knees, and stretch, and in, and stretch, grand plie, which is a big bend in the knees, bringing the arm down and back up. Then we're gonna do a cambrai into the bar, and up, and a little releve, or what some people call tippy toes. Try to let go and come down. We're going to repeat that in second. So 2 bends of the knees, 1 big bend of the knees. This time we're going to go away from the bar. Little balance, try to let go. Last, in third position, again, 2 little bend of the knees, 1 big bend of the knees, and then we're going to go ahead and go forward. Well, I'll show you. We're going to go all the way forward, all the way back, come up, little balance, and come down. Then I'm going to go ahead, switch to my second side, and repeat. So let's get started. Ready? First position, arms down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi-plie and stretch. Demi-plie and stretch. Grand plie. Make sure that your hips and your back are remaining straight. Don't stick your bum out. Coming into your bar, in, stretch the side of your body, and open. Bend the knees to come up to the tiptoes. Release the hand, try to balance. Second position. And demi-plie and stretch. Demi-plie and stretch. Grand plie all the way down. Come through center and up, away from your bar, reaching over to center. Demi-plie to releve. Balance, balance, come down. Third position, heels touching the toes. Demi and stretch. Demi and stretch, grand plie. Slow, knees over the toes, and back, up, cambrai forward, reaching up, cambrai back, coming up, little balance, 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 stay balanced, gently come down. Nice, you guys. Second side. Take a breath, adjust whatever you need. First position when you're ready. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi, stretch, demi, stretch, grand plie, down, slow, and up, into your bar, reaching over, and up, releve, balance, and slowly come to second, and demi, and stretch, demi, to stretch, grand plie, down, through center, away from the bar, up and over, through center, little balance, up, and balance, coming down. Third position, 5, 6, 7, 8, and demi, to stretch, demi, to stretch, grand plie, all the way down, coming up, cambre forward, all the way down, and up and over to the back. Longer balance this time, up, let go, stay balanced, and gently roll down. Nice, you guys. All right, back to first side. Again, I'll show you the combo, then we'll do it together. So again, starting in first position, heels touching, toes are out, coming through center and opening, making sure that our elbow is lifted up, not drooping down. All right, we're going to go tendu. So tendu forward. We're gonna press and stretch out those toes. Push back to point the toe. Coming in, 2 tendus forward, tendu. Last time tendu. We're gonna do that front, side, back, side, and balance. So it's gonna go like that. We just did the front, tendu, stretch out the toes, push, and in, 2 tendus, out, and in, out, and into the back, back. Make sure that the toe is in line with the heel. It's not out here. It's directly behind you. Press the big toe in, not the pinky toe. Stretch, in, 2 tendus, out. Last one to the side, tendu, press, push, 2, 2. This time, coming to center, first position balance. Arms overhead, arms in second, elbows are up, and rolling down. Then we'll go to second side. Ready? Shake it out. Let's get started. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tendu. Press. Push. And in. 2 tendus forward. 1. And in. And 2. And in. To the side. Tendu side. And push. Up. And in, 2 side, out, and in, out, and in, directly behind you, tendu back. Press on the big toe, push, coming in, 2 tendus back, 1, 2, 1, 2. Last to the side, tendu, press, push, and in, 2 to the side, 1, and 2. In, little balance, up, arms in first, try to let go, arms in high 5th, arms in second, lift it up to gently come down. Nice, you guys. Let's go ahead, go to the second side. Ready? Same thing, opposite leg. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tendu forward. And press. Push to point. And in. Give me 2. 1. And in. Elbows up. 2. And in. A la seconde or second. Out. And press. Push. And in. Give me 2. 1. And in. And 2, and in, directly behind you. Press on the big toe, push, and first, 2, and 1. Last one to the side, tendu out, to press, push, and in, give me 2, 1, and in, and 2, and in. Demi-plie, balance in first. Hold it. Arms in high fifth. Shoulders down. Press the shoulders blade down to go to second. Lift it up. Gently roll down. Nice, you guys. Shake out those feet. Little intermission. Let's go ahead. Face our wall or our chair. Stretch out those calves. You can always bend the knee a little bit to get into the Achilles. Second side. Stretch out the calves. Nice, you guys. All right. Let's go ahead and get into dégagés. Dégagé means to disengage. So what that looks like is you're going to shoot your leg out, point your toe, and make sure that it comes about 3 inches off the ground. So a dégagé just looks like this. It's almost like you're kicking a door. Kick, kick with the top of your foot. So what we're going to do is just arms in second, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will do 8 on this leg, 8 on this leg, 4 on this leg, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So it'll go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 4. Now 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now ones. 1, 1, 1, 1. Plie, releve in first. Plie, releve, high fifth. Plie, releve, arms in second. Ideally, your arms off the whole time. Coming down and relax. And then we'll go ahead and switch to the other side. Ready, you guys? 8, 8, 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then balance. Ready? First position. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now twos. Now twos. Now 1, 1, 1, 1. Plie, releve to first. Plie, releve, high fifth. Plie, releve, arms in second, pressing down. Lift to come down. Nice, you guys. Shake it out. Shake it out. Second side. Ideally here, you want to hold your core tight so that you're not dégaging like this. A, 4. You want to almost look like you're barely shifting at all. Let's go second side. First position. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twos. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now ones. 1, 1, 1, 1. Plie, releve to first. Plie, high fifth. Shoulders down. Plie, press the shoulder blades down to go to the second. Lift it up and roll through the feet. Nice, you guys. If you ever want a bigger challenge, try to do that combination without holding on to anything and see where your core is at. All right, since we're doing an express version of our bar, we're gonna go ahead and finish off with some grand bas mas. So I'm gonna move the chair out of the way. You can step away from your wall, and I'm gonna come to the center, and we will be doing kind of swings of the legs. So I'm just gonna do grand bas mas back. So I'm going to start by coming here. So I'm gonna start with the right leg and then alternate. So what I'm gonna do, keeping my arms in strong second, I'm going to kick forward and pas de bourrée, going back, side, front. Kicking forward, back, side, front. Kicking forward, back, side, front. Kicking forward, back, side, front. So 2 on each side. After we do 2 on each side kicking forward, I'm going to go ahead and kick side. So I'm going to kick side, go back, side, forward. Kick side, back, side, forward. Kick side, back, side, forward. Kick, back, side, forward. Okay? So just think, it kicks and it comes behind you to open the second to come forward. I'll do it as slow as possible so you can still follow along. 2 on each side. I'm going to start with the right foot back, arms in second, and we're going to kick forward actually. So let me straighten my hips like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick forward, back, side, forward. Kick forward, back, side, forward. Kick forward, back, side, forward. Kick forward, back, side. Kick side, side, back, side, and kick side, back, side, kick side, back, side, kick side, back, side. Rest. Nice, you guys. Shake it out, shake it out. I'm gonna go ahead, finish off with a little quad stretch. So balance one hand out, grab the other side, hips forward to get an extra quad stretch. Woo. Focus on something on the ground or in front of you to make sure you keep your balance. Nice, you guys. Switch to the second side. Pull that leg in. Push the hips forward to get an extra stretch. Nice. Shake it out, shake it out. That was your express ballet bar warm-up. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for practicing with me today, and if you liked my leggings in today's video, be sure to click the shelf below to purchase one for yourself. And don't forget to check out more videos in my series. I'll see you later.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.